In a competition of heat, which one will be better? Crayons or perler beads? Stay tuned to find out. Right here we have crayons and perler beads in empty soda bottles. What are we gonna do, guys?
We're gonna melt them.
So we're gonna make a formation of a soda bottle by melting down perler beads and crayons. Okay guys, how are we gonna know who wins?
Well, are you saying strength or like accuracy?
That's what I'm asking. I think we should judge on how cool it looks and how strong it is. Okay? So on those two things. So what do you think? Annabelle, which one do you think is gonna win? Perler beads?
I think the perler beads will be the most strong and the crayons will look the most cool.
Ooh. What do you think, Sammy?
Yeah. Wax is weaker than plastic, so in strength, the perler beads will win. But probably in looks, also the perler beads, because if not all of them melt, it'll look like little soda beads.
We're gonna get a heat gun and heat these up from the bottom and let things settle, and then we'll put more perler beads or crayons in the top until we're able to fill it up all the way, and that's if they even melt. Stay tuned to see what happens. From a huge bottle of perler beads, we dumped a bunch into this bottle. This one, guys, what did we do?
We peeled off the apples and we put them inside. And we had to break them.
Yes.
We broke them up so they would fit tighter in this bottle. All right, so which one should we start with, guys? Perler. Perler. One. I don't know. Whoa! It's melting the bottle. Oh man. This might be a disaster.
If it fails, it fails.
Here we go. It's even got a cape. You can see.
The Superman bottle.
So it looks like the bottle is melting before the perler beads. So that might make things interesting.
Or it might make it a disaster.
Boom! See that? It appeared, the box. Because it's safer. Because it's safer. Okay. We're just gonna go for it. Doesn't seem to be melting like we expected. Oh yeah, oh. Things are happening. Oh man, maybe we do. Should we put the cap back on?
Yeah, good.
It's exploding!
That's a cool sign.
That's hilarious.
And the bubble did pop. Alright. That is, I think, where we're going to stop. We have a perler bead bottle. Okay. We're going to start doing the crayon.
Put the lid on. No, it's fun. They won't like it.
Alright. Well, that's happening. Seems to melt the bottle before it does. Later once these cool down, and then we'll tell you what we found. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon.
Make sure to click the bell.
Click the freaking bell. Thumbs up. Click the bell.
Except you can't click.
We started by opening the bottle with the perler beads in it, and as you can see, things went really well. Then we opened the bottle with the crayons in it, and things did not go as well. Not nearly as well. So which one won? We'll let you decide. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe and stay creative. What is that noise, guys? What is it?